a cultured chia seed incredibleness that I'm going to teach you how to make, because this is one way to get fermented or cultured food into your world, by having it as a delicious meal and not by just having it because you have to. We want to make it as yummy as possible. So stay with me. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So I've got this coconut yogurt and I'm like, boom, how can I turn that into glory and a little snack for everybody today in the studio? And the first thing I came to my head was, let's make a chia seed situation, but let's use coconut milk. And I have all these amazing berries and it's like, what are we going to do with them? And I'm not into smoothies personally. And I was like, you know, how do I turn these berries into something instead of just sitting there and eating them? So this is so cool. And this is like, I always go back to like, you've worked all day and you know, blah, 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 and you're tired. And what's the best thing to do, you know? And this is a really great snack for everybody in the household. And it's delicious. So, I've got about half a cup of chia seeds. Look, I've got white and black, and it doesn't matter actually which you have, but you need around half a cup. You want a pinch of salt. Definitely, it brings out flavor. And then I've got some coconut yogurt. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, really? I'm like, yeah, really. And I'm going to dump around about half a cup of that in there and just a little splash of water. And then I'm just going to whisk that. And I want to whisk it until it goes really thick. And it's going to take a while, probably about a minute. See how it's not thick yet? Just got to keep blending. And it just gets the, what's that word? Gelatinous. Well done, mate. Coming out so it goes really jelly, you know? That's what we want.
So, chia seed itself, why is it very good for your body?
Chia seeds have a lot of omega-3s. This is not really my area. This is not my area. I don't really cross the line with nutritional facts, but I work with a autoimmune healing specialist who sometimes comes on my YouTube and we do webinars. Amazing, check that out. He reverses autoimmune diseases of all kinds. And he takes them on a protocol, and chia is one of the ingredients he uses on his protocol, and he's educated me that it has the omega-3s in it, and we need that. And it's all about unlocking cells. So chia has this ability to really heal the body. It's really amazing. But like I said, like just scroll down. If you find a video, his name is Phil, we work together, or email me, or write in the comments below if you need to jump on one of these webinars, because they're amazing. And the people that have been healing, you know, 1 to 2 years of doing, it's really quite in depth, it's amazing. Okay, so this is coming nice and thick. Gun, come and have a look. It's one way to get really good living bacteria into your world through a dish without going, oh, I need to add a probiotic into my smoothie or whatever. This is just one way of having a lot of divineness in your world. So check this out. So I've just put it in a beautiful bowl. This is going to be enough for 3 of us. And I want maple syrup. Definitely maple syrup. Just going to drizzle that over here. Much and as little as you want. You don't even have to put any in at all. It's up to you. Then I'm going to take these random berries, that's a good one, that have been just sitting in my fridge. I'm so glad that we're using up all these berries. Gun. Gungun's behind the camera today. How are you, mate?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. You've been eating a lot. We had pancakes yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah.
But look at this. Like, I could have blended them up and put them in a smoothie. Not a fan. Not a fan. And having this incredible amount of coconut yogurt in this dish for the 3 of us, it's like, you know, boom. Boom chaka-laka-laka. Okay, a little bit more maple, just because I can. Got some beautiful fresh golden berries that I had for a shoot. Some of them have gone old and some of them haven't. Most of them have. That's it. Check it out. Simple, one way to use coconut yogurt. And that splash of water just brings it home, and that's it. And drizzle maple syrup, and this is where we're all gonna sit around this with a spoon and eat it. And it's like, boom, done. I'll see you next week. Who knows what we're gonna create next week, really. You know what would be nice on that? I just thought of, everybody? Balsamic glaze. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I know. I know, right? Because just the parts of the strawberries. Oh my God. This is a moment. It'll just bring it home. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm out. We're eating this. We're totally eating this right now, people.